If you're a nonprofit that depends on donations or grants, your database is one of the most valuable assets you have. It must track every contact with your organization, whether the individual is a past donor, a prospective donor, a company contact, or really anyone that you have a relationship with. But a database is only as good as the data you put in and the information you get out. And that's why it's important to pick a database system that fits your organization, makes it easy for you to do your job. Because if it fits your organization and it's easy to work with, it will be adopted and used. But if it's not a good fit, or it's hard to use, it becomes a burden and a hassle. So what criteria do you look for in choosing a database system? Well, first and foremost, it's got to be a good people fit, meaning everyone in the organization must find value in the database, from your executive director to your program staff to your volunteers and board. And if it's easy to use, then more people will be willing to use it and want to use it and therefore fully adopt it. It must also fit with your organizational structure and procedures, meaning it must be able to follow your rules, whether those rules determine who can do what in the database, or if you have a specific procedure to get things done. The more flexible the system, the more you're in control. And lastly, it must integrate with other technologies at your nonprofit and therefore be a good organizational fit. And since no organization will ever have just one system that captures data, your database must be open and easily plugged into current and future technologies like accounting systems, HR systems, and web solutions. So let me introduce you to Common Ground from Convio. Common Ground is a different kind of donor database product. For one thing, it's web-based, and this is important because not only does it make it accessible from any web device anywhere, but it also means you don't have to worry about maintaining the technology. We take care of it, from providing the enterprise-level security you need to backups and all hardware maintenance. And best of all, there's no more software to install and no more upgrade hassles, since many of the feature upgrades simply happen automatically. Another reason Common Ground is different, it's open. It's open to integration, it's open to customization, and it's open for other software programmers and vendors to expand upon, and not just one vendor. But unlike some other do-it-yourself open source systems, Common Ground is maintained and supported by a partner you can hold accountable. And the last significant difference between Common Ground and other donor database products is that it's actually not a donor database. It's a CRM, a constituent relationship management solution that has the donor database features you're looking for, but it also has features that will be adopted by your entire organization and not just one team. So how do we do all of this? We've partnered with Salesforce.com and have built Common Ground on their platform. This allows us to offer all of the great contact management features and benefits available through Salesforce, yet deliver those in a product that was designed specifically for the needs of nonprofits. It also means that Common Ground clients receive the same enterprise-scale technology infrastructure and security as the nearly 100,000 Salesforce customers, companies like Dell Computer, the Wall Street Journal, Starbucks, and many more. So how does Common Ground make your job easier? Well, here are just a few examples, and I invite you to watch some of the other videos that focus on specific features or contact us for personalized demonstration. First, every staff person has their own login and therefore a unique experience with the database. For instance, each person is able to determine what tabs they want to display, and the last 10 things they've touched in the database are always just a click away. And every action in Common Ground is audited back to each user, so you'll never have to wonder who made what change or when. It's all right there. Additionally, Common Ground integrates with each staff person's preferred email program, so they can not only receive scheduled reports directly in their inbox, but they can actually capture emails sent to constituents back in Common Ground. And there's more. Common Ground also makes it easy for your development team to get their job done by providing a batch gift entry tool that can significantly reduce data entry time, and a pledge management tool that reminds staff when installments are open or past due. Lastly, Common Ground provides over 200 canned reports and a step-by-step report wizard that allows any staff person, regardless of technical skill, to run reports, create reports, customize reports, export the results to a spreadsheet, or schedule reports for automatic delivery via email. So what type of organization should consider using Common Ground? Well, if you're looking for a database that has donor, volunteer, and event management features and can fit with your organization, will reduce the hassle and hidden costs of managing the database technology, and can provide software your team will actually enjoy using, it doesn't matter if you have 2 staff or 2,000 staff. You should come and meet us on Common Ground. Thanks for watching this video.